Hello all, it's Matt, a scientist. So today's topic is, does string color really matter when it comes to string stiffness and density? Now, first off, I believe we should do this always. Let's look at the data. So the only string I really have data on is RPM Blast, and this is measurements from Tennis Warehouse. But the black color of RPM Blast, so the classic, has a string bed stiffness at 51 pounds of 233 psi. However, if we look at the other color RPM Blast, which is the orange color that Tennis Warehouse has exclusive to their website, which, yes, they also measured it. Same gauge, same string geometry, all that fun stuff. The string PSI at 51 pounds goes from 233 to 210. And what this means, what this really shouts to us, is that there's a true chemical change occurring in the string because of the dye. Also, side note, this is assuming that Tennis Warehouse is being as consistent as possible with their measurements. If they're not, that would just throw out side bias in their stringing and their sales, and that wouldn't really make much sense. However, back on topic. So another really important piece of information on this as well is the tension percentage. So this is tension percentage loss by the time it dies. So for the black RPM Blast at 16 gauge, this would be 46% at 51 pounds, so it goes from 51 to about 25.5 pounds roughly if it's 50%. However, it's 46. I'm not going to do that math in my head right now. However, also for the orange one, it's 39% difference. So the tension maintenance did increase, assuming that the only changed variable is the color. So what this means is different brands like Solinco or Tourline or even like Topspin, I don't know if they're still in business or not, but anyway, different brands like those can use these different colors to their advantages because each line of string is only in a certain color. And another thing this allows you to do as a stringer is you can take different polyester colors of the same polyester and market it to different abilities. So for instance, what I do is I use Wilson Revolve a lot because it has a self-lubricating material inside of it that allows it to dissolve and lubricate the main string as a cross. So it's a really, really good cross to use because of that, and it's super versatile. So assuming my assumptions are correct on the stiffness difference, the softest version and the roughly a good tension maintenance will be white. Best tension maintenance would be orange, and then best spin potential and stiffness, like highest stiffness, would be black. And then obviously, because any self-lubricating string would suck as a main because it dissolves itself, use a different string in the mains. So anyway, cheers, have a good one.